everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. As some of you may know, I sell Mary Kay, and today I'm going to be doing swatches of the Mary Kay Gel Semi Shine lipsticks, and I have them in the exact order that they are in the book. So if you have the book in your hand right here, I'm going through them in order as they are listed, so it'll help you guys out. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the video. To be honest, right now I'm just going to be using samples because I have a whole bunch of samples already, and I have a bunch of lipsticks that are already opened that I don't use a whole lot. Sometimes I use them, sometimes I don't. So I don't want to waste any lipsticks or anything, so I'm just going to go through and do the samples for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a disclaimer that we all have different skin shades and skin tones. So a shade on me may look different than a shade on you. So I'm just going to jump right into this. So let's get started. The first shade I have is Appleberry, and it's like this dark purpley pinkish color. Sorry I have this zoomed in so close, but I'm going to go ahead and swatch on my hands so you guys can see all the shades together, but I'm going to start back here and work my way up so you can kind of see it like it is in the magazine. The next shade I'm doing is Berry Couture. It's like a dark purplish brown color. Now I'm going to swatch it right next to this one. The next color I have is Hot Pink. I actually kind of like this color. I don't like bright pinks that much, but this one actually looks okay. I'm going to go ahead and put it on here next to this other one. The next shade I have is Love Me Pink. It's kind of like this baby pink color and looks so cute. I think I'm going to love this one. I love this shade right here. Next shade I have is Luminous Lilac. Here's the lilac shade on my arm. This next shade is Natural Buff. It's more of like a nudie pink color. I really like these colors, so I'm thinking I'm gonna like this one. I want to put this shade on my arm too so you guys can see. See, this color is so cute. The next color I'm doing is Raspberry Ice. And put it kind of above or below this one. I'm not really sure because I put this in the middle. I'll go below because I'll start the rest of the colors. The next shade I'm doing is Smouldering Red. Put it right underneath this shade. That applies it very smoothly. The next shade I have is Rosewood, and it's a pinky nude color. Now I'm just going to go ahead and swatch this one on my arm as well right here. I really like this color too. The next shade I have is Scarlet Red, and it's kind of like a deeper red. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one for you. This color is very pretty as well. The next color I'm doing is Spiced Ginger. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one as well. The last shade is Sunset Peach, and it's a light peachy color. If you guys liked any of these colors or want any of these colors, my link will be down below. If you guys didn't know, I do sell a Mary Kay, so I'll have all the information below. I just wanted to thank you guys all so much for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, and I will have my previous video up in one of these corners. I will see you guys in my next video.